so I'm here burning the bootloader for the ATMegaZero, and this is the process that I take to also inspect and make sure that the ATMegaZero is working properly. To help me with this, I used another ATMegaZero using the Learning Shield, and I use this as a keyboard or a mouse, but I just press the red button and it will send a command on the Arduino to click the burn bootloader for me, so I don't have to manually use the keyboard and having to do this and clicking, with two hands. So instead I use this, that way I can be able to hold this guy, so that way I can hold this in place while I'm burning the bootloader. So let me do the first one. And also when I do that, I can also inspect that the board is working, because if it wasn't working, I will be able to see the LEDs now turning on, or I will also get an error from the Arduino IDE if things doesn't work properly. Like that one is done, all good. So every time I do that, it sends a command to burn the bootloader. And then here I will get a green light if everything is working fine. And then I'll repeat this process for every board. And once I go through this, that's it. This needs to only be done once to burn the bootloader, unless you want to change the bootloader later on. But that's all I do. And I got to go through hundreds of them, which is a good thing, because I'm making sure that whenever the board gets shipped to the customer, I know that they work because I already inspect them. So this one is all good. I put them on the side, get the next batch, and then once I'm done with all this process, then I start packaging them and put them in them ready for shipment. So whenever the customer order, I put them in a package for them. So, but this is the most important step, because this is what I got to do to ensure the quality is there. And it's a slow process, as you can see. There you go. You see, I discovered there's an issue with this one, which is good. That's what I was saying. So this one has an issue that it won't turn on, and the bootloader was failing. So what I usually do now, confirm it's not right. That means that this one, put them on the side and continue. And this one is good. So that ensures that, again, the quality that I'm shipping is there. I care about the quality. I want to make sure that when the customer receives the ATMegaZero, that the board works. So far, I have shipped a bunch of them and none of them has come back, so that's a good thing. So as you can see, this one of them was bad. Continue the next batch. And same process, repeat. Cool. So that was just a little preview of what I do to ensure quality and to burn the bootloader on all the ATMegaZero, which is a tedious process, but it has to be done. And for me, it's very important because of the quality control.